Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to get an alert when transfer is made with USSD, with OPay USSD on using your phone. Now what does this mean? Now, to be secured, whenever anyone could have your USSD, everyone knows the USSD for the OPay app, and someone might access your phone. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to get an SMS alert whenever transfers are made using your OPay USSD code. Now, to do this, you have to open up your OPay app, tap on the me icon at the bottom here, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner, then go to this SMS alert subscription, tap on it, and then you see this third option over here, tap on it. Now once you've done this, it means you've subscribed to get transfer alerts through SMS whenever transfers are made with the OPay USSD code. Now, once you do this, it also means that you've agreed to pay ₦4 for each SMS alert message you get, because it's not free. Now, this ₦4, which is what you're going to pay for each SMS alert, will be deducted from the next month, on the 3rd of the next month. Now, that means if you subscribe in January, this ₦4 will not be debited from your account in January, right? That will be debited from your account in February, on the 3rd of February. So, if you subscribe in May, for example, this ₦4 will be deducted on the 3rd of June, of June, which is the second month. That's what it means. So the total of the next month that you subscribe is when the SMS alert will be debited, the SMS alert charge will be debited from your account. So once you're tapping on this, next thing you're going to do is tap on subscribe now. So once you do this will pop up, which is asking you if you're sure you want to subscribe to the SMS service. If you're not sure, you can read it, and you can read the terms and conditions, tapping on that SMS official service terms. After reading through it, if you agree to this, you can simply go back and tap on yes to go on. If you do not agree, uncheck this box and tap on cancel. It's as simple as that.